What's going on, guys? Mr. Young here. Today we're going to be talking about creating variants in GCSS-Army. So the reason you want to create a variant, if you don't already know how to create one, that is it makes your life a little bit easier when you're pulling reports that have multiple variables to it. So if you have multiple SLOCs, multiple UICs, multiple FEs, it doesn't matter what it is. These variants will make your life a lot easier if you're having to pull them on a frequent basis. So if you're in a overall like battalion, brigade, division setting, these will help you immensely. So they're really easy to set up once you understand how to set them up, but there are a few key things that you need to pay attention to. All right, guys, so we're going to give you another tool that makes your life a lot easier when pulling multiple reports. So let's say you need to pull an ESR on a regular basis and you don't have a general UIC to be able to use. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the little button here. You add your UICs in here. So I put in 2 UICs, and let's say you want to change some other areas. So let's take that one out, and that's so that it captures everything. This captures all of your equipment. At this point, you want to go to variants, save as variant, and here you're going to name it. This is where you need to be very specific on what you name it, because you're going to use this same variant name probably across everything. So like 46 for my unit and ESR. So when I save it there, then I come down here, ESR, save, and at that point I've saved it. So let's back out. We'll go back in. You can see it plugs into general data, and then you want to drop down box, and then you can see your 46 ESR. So I can type. And at this point, you can see it took out the equipment information. You hit the little drop down box. It gives you the FE numbers for the 2 units. And then you just hit execute. Now you can do this in a lot of different areas. Now there's some places that it's a little more restrictive, but you can do it in your ESR. You can do it in your Z-Park. You can do it in your orals. So in your ZOREP, you can do it in there. There's a lot of different areas you can add these variables, and it will make your life a lot easier when it comes to pulling these different reports that you need to pull. All right, guys, you can see it's really easy to do. You do need to know what all your SLOCs are, or all of your UICs, or whatever else it is that you need in order to pull these reports properly. You also need to make sure that you're using different names for the various different reports, and you can see that there's only so many areas, so much space for a name. So you need to abbreviate it and then make it true to whatever it is that you're using. Now you can't create these and then other people be able to view them. I've already tried that, so maybe there's another way to do something similar to it, but for these variants, it is specific to you and you alone. So I hope that that helps you and gives you another tool to make your life a lot easier in working with GCSS-Army. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If this is your first time watching, please go over to the channel, give me a subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, if it brought you some value. If you go over to the library, I have more videos on GCSS-Army, Army maintenance, and then other random videos that just come to mind. If you see that there's a video that you're looking for that you need and I don't have it up, please come over to the discussions tab or send me an email through Global, or go to the Abouts tab and send me an email through my personal email. I am approachable and I am reachable, and I will do my best to help you out in learning whatever it is that you need to learn. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.